Hello students. Today I am going to discuss about some of the building materials. What are the building materials available? What are the characteristics? What are the uses, etc. First building material is bricks. Brick is a clay material used in masonry construction. It is the oldest building materials and is still very popular and is largely used in leading construction. It is cheap, durable, and easy to handle. Bricks are used in construction of walls of building, footing, boundary walls, water tanks, septic tanks, pavements, and many more household construction. And bricks are classified as first class bricks, second class bricks, and third class bricks. Now, what is first class brick? First class bricks are made from good art, free from saline deposits, and they should be thoroughly burnt. First class bricks should be of good color. It should be of regular shape with square edge and parallel faces. Also, first class bricks are free from cracks, stones, chips, etc. Then, second class brick. Second class bricks are also fully burnt and give a clear ringing sound when stuck together. And its compressive strength shall not be less than 70 kg per centimeter square, and absorption value should not be greater than 22% when soaked for 24 hours in water. Then third class bricks. Third class bricks are not burnt so fully as in previous two cases. That means as previous as first class and second class bricks, but are generally of uniform reddish yellow color. And in third class brick, its compressive strength lies between 30 to 70 kg per centimeter square, and absorption value is between 20 to 25%. Then these are some composition of good brick art. Alumina 20 to 30%, silica 50 to 60%, lime 5 to 10%, iron oxide 5 to 10%, alkalis less than 7%, magnesia less than 1%, and carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide, and water is in very small percentage. Next is mortar. What we mean by mortar? Mortar is a mixture of sand, a binder such as cement, lime, and water, and is applied as a paste when then sets hard. The types of mortar based on binding material used. Number 1, cement mortar, lime mortar, gypsum mortar, surkhi mortar, and aerated cement mortar. What is cement mortar? In cement mortar, cement is used as binding material and sand is used as adulterant. The proportion of cement and sand is decided based on the specified durability and working conditions. And cement mortar will give high strength and resistivity against water, and the proportion of cement to sand may varies from 1 to 2 to 1 to 6. Then lime mortar. In lime mortar, lime is used as binding material. There are two types of lime, namely fake lime and hydraulic lime. straight line in lime mortar requires 2 to 3 times of sand and it is used for dry work. Hydraulic lime and sand in 1:2 ratios will give good result in damp conditions and also suitable for waterlogged areas. The next is gypsum mortar. Gypsum mortar consists of plaster and soft sand as binding material and fine aggregate. Gypsum mortar will have low durability in damp conditions. Next one is Surkhi mortar. Surkhi mortar consists lime, surkhi and water. Surkhi is used as adulterant or fine aggregate. Sometimes half amount of sand and half amount of surkhi is also used in surkhi mortar. And the last one is aerated cement mortar. Generally, cement mortar does not contain good plasticity and workability. So, to make it more plastic and workable, air entraining agents are added to cement mortar. And then the resulted mortar is known as the aerated cement mortar. Now, what is cement concrete? The cement concrete may be defined as the plastic material obtained by cement, sand, aggregates, and water in suitable proportion. Then, when placed in forms, becomes hard mass after curing. So, cement mortar is comprised of cement, sand, and water. And cement concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, that is fine aggregate, then stone, that is coarse aggregate, and water in the suitable proportion. Next, plain cement concrete. The plain cement concrete has considerable strength in compression, has little strength in tension. Therefore, the use of plain cement concrete is restricted to situations where high compressive strength and weight are primary consideration. Next, reinforced cement concrete. The cement concrete used in the construction of structural members which are subjected to high tensile stress by providing steel reinforcement in tensile zone of the member before it is concreted. Thus, material obtained is termed as reinforced cement concrete. Then these are the ingredients of reinforced cement concrete. Number 1 is cement, sand, stone aggregate, water and steel reinforcement bars. Cement, sand, water and these are the steel bars. These are the ingredients of reinforced cement concrete. Thank you.